Have you ever spent months creating a course and then you had to launch and you're like, what the heck? I have crickets. Well, I'm going to be sharing with you strategies on how you can pre-launch so you can save time, you can generate revenue before you even launch your product. Once you start getting interest into your product, you can then start to create it. So let's go ahead and dive into the strategy to see if it might be a good fit for you. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel. Now, I have created a ton of courses in the past, some that have come out to the light of day and others that have not. And one of the things that I have found whenever I have created courses or templates or things along those lines, I have found that I put a lot of time, energy, and effort into creating these items. Not sure if my audience even wants them. Now, here's the thing. I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to put months or even weeks into creating digital products and not knowing if my audience wants it. So instead, one of the things I like to do is I either like to pre-sell my products or even tease my products ahead of time so that then when I do launch my products, there are interest and sales coming through. Now, I recently received an email from a course creator who is looking to create a course on a specific topic, and she wanted to pre-sell before she even sold the course. She shared all about what this course was going to be about through a video and a sales page, and ultimately informed everyone, if you do decide to move forward, I will be delivering this particular product on this particular date. Now, the date was about a month out from when she released the sales page, but here's the really great part. She did not create the product yet. So she was letting everyone know, I'll be creating a product, here's what I'll be creating it on, and seeing if people would be interested before sitting down and creating all of these different courses and resources, because ultimately that will take up a lot of time in your digital product business. So let's talk about what pre-selling is so you can see if it's a good fit for you. Pre-selling is when you are going to share about the product you are looking to create, whether it is a template, whether it's an ebook, whether it's a course, a membership, a coaching program, whatever it may be, you are going to share interest on this particular product ahead of time. You can do this through things like a sales video letter, you can do this through a sales page, and you can even do this by just sharing emails with your audience, letting them know you are going to be creating this type of product. Now, you can ask people to go ahead and move forward by buying the product, but let them know when you're going to actually deliver it. So for example, I hosted a coaching program where I was teaching all about how you can utilize Kajabi to help you to market your digital products. Now, I wanted to make sure that there was actually interest from my audience. So one of the things that I did was I created a sales page. I had a video sharing more about what this particular coaching program was going to be about. I showcased the lessons and the topics I was going to focus on, and I sold this to my audience. Now, the overall coaching program did not launch until 3 weeks later, but it allowed me to be able to get my coaching clients in to ensure that I would even have an audience before I build out all of this content. Now, the great thing is I delivered the content live, and it helped me to be able to stay on topic, answer questions, and really over-deliver to my audience. Now, here's the benefits when it comes to pre-selling. You are going to save time. It's important for you to be efficient with your time as a course creator, as a coach, or as a digital product business owner, because you have other things you need to focus on, like marketing, sales, operations, being able to really create products that do help move the needle forward for not only your business, but also for your clients. So this allows you to be able to use your time more efficiently and effectively when you are selling in advance and seeing if there's even interest for this particular product. Now, let's talk about engaging your audience when it comes to a pre-sale. Now, you'll want to definitely inform your audience that you are considering creating a product and telling them what it's about. Now, I highly recommend that you do this through email marketing or through social media, or jumping on a call with a few of your ideal customers, seeing if they might be interested in doing this. This will help you to be able to get some clients in, and if for any reason you notice that people aren't interested in this particular product, either look into your messaging, see if it resonates with who you're looking to serve, or ask your ideal customers, what is it that you think is holding you back from moving forward with this? So this is a really great way for you to learn more about why they might not be looking to move forward with this particular product. Now, once you have decided if you're going to create a pre-sale product, it's important for you to also make a game plan on how you're going to create this content or how you're going to deliver this product. You need to have an understanding on how long it takes for you to create this product. So if you are going to be creating templates, let's say website templates, Canva Canva templates, whatever it may be, some sort of template. You need to know how long does it take to design these particular templates so you can deliver them to your audience. Now, if you're going to be creating a coaching program, you need to identify what's needed. Are you going to have PowerPoints in your coaching? Are you going to have worksheets? Identify all those things and how long it will take for you to create them. So then when you are sharing about this upcoming product, you're putting a reasonable timeline in place for you to actually execute. If you're going to be doing a membership or an online course, it's the same thing. You'll need to identify how long it takes for you to create videos or create the worksheets or the things that are going to go in that digital product. Now, I know for me, I like to always give myself a buffer. So if I think it's going to take me 2 weeks, I like to give myself 3 weeks just in case. Okay, so there you have it, corporate misfits. I want you to consider if you can pre-sell your next digital product. Is it something that you can get sales for in advance before ever creating it and seeing if it's even of interest so that you don't waste time on something that might collect dust in the future? Okay, corporate misfits. So if you're looking to learn more about how you can create beta launches or pre-sell, check out this video right here, and also check out my beta launch toolkit that can help you along the ways to help make this process a heck of a lot easier. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.